Welcome to a tutorial on how to transfer crypto from a Binance Web3 wallet to MetaMask. So once you've opened up your MetaMask wallet app, simply select the network you want to use to transfer your crypto. This could be Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or any others. Then simply select the token you want to receive. You then have to copy the wallet address that's been displayed. Then head over to your Binance Web3 wallet app. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and tap send. From here, you can then paste the MetaMask wallet address you copied earlier into the recipients field. And you then have to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Also double check the network and address to ensure the match. And finally, once everything is done, you can then confirm the transaction. So that's simply how to transfer your crypto from a Binance Web3 wallet to MetaMask. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.